Question 28. Here is a solid prism. Now prism should sound familiar. If you're not sure what it is, it's a 2D shape which has been given depth. There's a nice formula at the front of your book which involves this, and that is that the volume of a prism is equal to the area of the cross section, so the area of that 2D shape at the front, multiplied by the length. Now that's in the formula sheet at the front of the book, so don't forget that's there. It can be incredibly useful, because we're going to try and work out what the volume of this prism is. So first off, we need the area of the cross section. Now this is a compound rectangle, so I'm actually going to draw this out again to make it a little bit easier for us to calculate with. So I've got this compound shape which is made from two different rectangles. It could be split in a lot of different ways, but to make my life quite simple, I'm just going to choose to split it down this way, which has two rectangles next to each other. So dimensions of these, we've got one that's 5 centimeters across the top, 7 centimeters down. That's 4 centimeters down. The whole thing is supposed to be 11. So if all of that there is 11 centimeters, and that bit's 5, that means that this part here must be 11, take away 5, thinking ahead there, which is 6 centimeters. So now I've got the measurements of these two rectangles, we should be able to work out the areas. I'm just going to call this A and B. And let's calculate what the areas are. So for rectangle A, area is given by length times width. So 7 multiplied by 5, which is 35. It's all in centimetres, so this is centimetres squared. For shape B, we have 4 times 6 now that we know what the width is. 4 times 6 is 24, giving us a total cross-sectional area 35 add 24, which is 59 centimeters squared. It's a 3-mark question, and that's probably given us 2 of the marks. Our final mark will come from multiplying the cross-sectional area by the length of the shape. So for the volume, we'll take the 59 centimeters and multiply it by the 20 centimeter length. 59 multiplied by 20 gives us a volume of 1,180 centimeters squared. Well, cubed, sorry, because we're dealing with volume now. 1180 centimeters cubed.